Okay, let's get the show on the road. There should be two things. Yep. These are two things. Wow. 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 First, we have this. It's a hexagon thing. Let's get this out. It's, I don't know what people were saying that, like, it's a decompression magic cube. It's one of these. It's one of these, fidget type things. Okay, so people were saying like one of these wasn't like moving, which yes, it is moving. It's a nice little thing to have, just because, I'm not even trying to read this because actually I don't think I can because okay, gear switch, blah 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 blah. If y'all care enough, pause. But yeah, it came in this. A little body to satisfy all your hand. This is basically a thing that Ashens did. I can do at least a couple things at once, which is great. I have a huge hand. Second thing is the Gucci Mane Guide to Greatness. This has rave reviews on Amazon, by the way. It has like a 4 point whatever, like a 4.8 or whatever. Okay. Part 1 is the essentials. Part 2 is the progress. 3 is accountability 101. Part 4 is your people. Part 5 is work ethic. Part 4 your people. Part 5 work ethic opportunity. Then 7 I think is success. 8 is the power of love and final words, which only is like a 200 and something page book. Has a nice picture of Gucci Mane. I actually am a Gucci Mane fan. Basically, this is, I don't know. It's basically, okay. Basically, it says the story of conquering your dreams and becoming the best version of yourself. So basically, it's basically, I've heard some good stuff about it, so on the internet. By the way, this thing came like this. If it would have been whatever. But yeah, anyway, that's what I got today. Thank God it actually freaking came. Because the last thing, did come, on Saturday, I think. But it was saying it came on blah blah blah. I'm like, who is screwing me over with this bullcrap? But yeah, anyway, peace.